Is California's new prescription law unconstitutional or just unhealthy? Brought to you by thephysicianprimer.com. If a tree falls in the forest and no one is there to hear it, does it make a sound? Or, if a new law is enacted, affecting millions, but proper notice is not given, is it valid? That's exactly what happened with the new controlled substance prescription law in California, with the enactment of AB 1753, effective January 1, 2019. The California Medical Association wrote on December 21, 2018, physicians were finally notified this week that the updated forms were available for purchase, with less than 2 weeks to go before the compliance date. The CMA is very concerned that this does not provide enough time for the physicians to reorder forms and could be a serious barrier to patients who must access necessary medications in a timely manner. An estimated 1 million prescriptions became legally invalid at the stroke of midnight on New Year's Eve, leaving hundreds of thousands with medication delays and denials. A public healthcare crisis in California emerged the first day of the new year 2019 due to this new law. Pharmacists who fill a prescription on an old form risk license loss, as there is no grace period to allow doctors time to order the new script pads. The pharmacists have been told by the Board of Pharmacy that their prosecutions for violating this law will be lower in priority, not that they will not be disciplined. They are also required to telephone the prescriber and get his purchase order number for the new pads in every case. This represents hundreds of thousands of telephone calls between pharmacists and physicians. This represents millions of dollars in new prescription pad orders. The new law required that effective January 1, 2019, all controlled prescriptions bear the mark of a uniquely sterilized identification number. This number shall have 3 letters followed by 6 numbers, followed by 1 more letter and ending with 5 more numbers. This code represents 46,000 trillion potentially different combinations. This code is more secure than serial numbers contained on US currency. Is the government really worried about counterfeiters? Or maybe just saving money on pain meds? The 14th Amendment to the U.S. Constitution prevents a state from enacting a law that deprives any person of life, liberty, or property without due process of law. Learn more at www.thephysicianprimer.com, your medico-legal resource.